I need you to follow me clearly so you don't miss any part, step by step. Step 1, you uninstall your current Capcut app. Yes, I know, but trust me, you'll be getting something better. I mean, what's the point having the latest version and you can't use it, and you are also not prepared to pay the monthly or yearly subscription? Step 2, go to your phone's browser. I will be using Google Chrome for this tutorial. You can use any browser of your choice, okay? So you search for Capcut's old version. You can see you have several options to work with, right? But I personally like to use this first one here, up to down. So we click on it, right? And then you scroll down till the version before all of this updates came up, all of this pro feature updates came up. So you just continue clicking see more. I personally use the version 11. You can see it's showing the date that it was updated, so you can easily navigate through it. So after you've chosen any of the version 11 that you want to use, step 3 now is to download and install. Okay, so you click on any of the version 11, you click on it and you will scroll down, you will see download here. Okay, you see download here, you click on this arrow here and you download it to your phone. After downloading, make sure to turn off auto update on Play Store, or Capcut will silently update it back to the new version. Okay, after downloading and installing on your phone, and step 4 will test some of the features so that you would see that you can actually use those pro features now for free. Okay, so let's start with adding auto caption. You go to text, auto caption, and you can select any of all of these options. So let's use this one here, and we click on generate and allow it to load. Okay, our caption is generated, so let's play it and see. So let's test another thing. Another thing I like to do with my old Capcut is to reduce background noise. Click on the video and you go to the end, you will see reduce noise. If you check the current or the latest version of this Capcut, this is on Pro, but you see I can now check it and I have successfully reduced any background noise in my video. Another thing we should test now is removing background. You can see remove BG there, not on the Pro anymore. So you click on it, auto removal, and you allow it to load. You see our background is removed, so I can replace this with whatever background I want to use. So with some of the recent pro features applied to this old version of Capcut, you will still be able to export your video successfully. As a small content creator that you don't have money to subscribe to the pro version, this is perfect to use. So I'm gonna give you guys some extra tips. I have been using this for weeks now, and here are some things I do to keep it working. Number 1, like I said, I turn off the updates from Play Store so that it will not automatically update it to the newest version. Another thing I do is I don't sign in or synchronize it with TikTok. And the last thing I do is to use it offline when possible. I know what it feels like to be stuck with ideas but no tool. So I really hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because I'll be showing you how to do more things even with this free Capcut version. So dear creators, keep creating, don't let money stop you.